Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to start with calendar today. Help me make our calendar.
Yippee! It's April 2020. Let's make a calendar.
Ready?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What day of the week is it today? Today is Thursday.
Great job! Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020.
Okay, boys and girls, we're going to fill in Thursday. Today is Thursday. And you're going to help me count or clap to the number 23. Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Great job.
23rd.
Today
Great
is
job.
Thursday, April 23rd. We are going to take a look at our calendar page from our book. And I want you guys to point to Thursday on your screen like this. Great job pointing to Thursday, boys and girls.